Introducing the DIY 1080p Wi-Fi Nanny Camera Kit from SpyCentre Security, your all-in-one solution for keeping an eye on what matters the most. We'll tell you why this kit is a game changer for your home security needs. First, setup is a breeze. With simple DIY installation, even beginners can have it up and running quickly. The kit includes everything you'll need, from the camera to the detailed instructions. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the camera's 1080p resolution. It delivers clear, high-definition video that captures every detail, ensuring you never miss a thing. You can trust it to provide sharp footage with its excellent field of view. What sets this kit apart is the built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. Connect the camera to your home network and monitor live footage remotely through the mobile app. It's user-friendly and compatible with both iOS and Android devices. For parents, the Nanny Camera function is a game changer. You can monitor your kids and their caregivers in real time, ensuring their safety and well-being even when you're away. And the best part, the DIY 1080p Wi-Fi Nanny Camera Kit is affordable without compromising on quality. SpyCentre Security has crafted a reliable, easy-to-use product that won't break the bank. In conclusion, the DIY 1080p Wi-Fi Nanny Camera Kit from SpyCentre Security is an excellent investment for anyone seeking peace of mind and enhanced security for their home. It's simple to set up, delivers superb video quality, and keeps you connected wherever you are. Don't wait, upgrade your home security today. Visit SpyCentre.com to order yours now, and take control of your home security today.
Hello everyone, here we are on our retail storefront. We're going to go ahead and do a quick quality demonstration for the new 1080p DIY Nanny camera. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick little distance test to give you an idea as to what it will look like at your different lights. So let's go ahead and do that.
Here's an example at 10 feet. This is an example at 20 feet. And lastly, this is an example at 30 feet. Keep in mind, all the video you're currently watching is being recorded by the camera itself. And of course, if you did appreciate the content, don't forget to like and subscribe.